Hey everybody, it is Carrie here with Be Coyote. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I create these beautiful, natural, fluffy looking brows using the Be Coyote brow dust and also the angled brush and spoolie. So there's some really simple things that you can add to your daily makeup routine to create this flawless yet natural, easy, no fuss situation with your eyebrows. So let's get into it. All right, we know that the first thing to a good eyebrow look is to make sure that everything is nice and tidy. So I actually do this all from home. What I like to do to keep my eyebrows tidy is using the Be Coyote's angle brush and spoolie. I like to brush my eyebrows upwards, and I actually just did this the other day, so I don't need to do it much at all. And then I've got a little pair of scissors here. So as I brush them upwards, I just simply trim the excess. So I don't have a lot there at the moment. And then I will also continue to either tweeze, or if I've had time to wax my brows, then I will do that. But obviously, if you don't do that yourself, make sure you do see a professional, because let's face it, your eyebrows literally are on your face and you do not want to stuff that. I'm using today the Brow Dust in Dark. I absolutely love this. If you've seen any of my videos beforehand, I'm obsessed. I call this stuff my magic brow powder because it literally transforms this to an amazing brow, and you don't have to be a professional to get that beautiful, flawless look. The other thing I really love about the brow dust is that you can create a really natural look, or you can create a much more bolder, defined look. So today I'm going to go in and show you how I do a just a really natural brow. I will also finish off with a couple of extras, how I conceal the arch of my brow to really highlight that area, and also use a beautiful product that I'm in love with, which is the brow gel as well, which is fantastic to finish off and just make sure that your brows don't go anywhere. I have had this for, I cannot even tell you, like there's so much product in this and you only need the tiniest amount to work with. So the other thing I really like is that it's got this it's got the lid on it as well, which keeps everything enclosed. This, to me, is really compact. It really looks after the product. So again, it just lasts forever. So what I like to do personally is I like to tap a little bit onto the lid like that. And this is also great because if I don't use it all, I just put the lid back on and then there's really some product there for the next time. I grab my angled brush, and before I do that, I always just kind of give that a little rub just to make sure that that is really defined. So I'm just grabbing my angled brush here, just dabbing that in, and using a little mirror, I'm just going to look over here. I'm brushing my brows upwards and into the shape that I want them. I've tattooed my eyebrows probably about 4 years ago now, so they're very patchy, as you can see there. They grow all over the place, so you know it's important for me to use a product like this. So using the eyebrow, the angled brush facing outward, what I like to do is start by defining the underneath, the lower brow, and just putting that line there. And honestly, I'm just gently doing this. So I've shaped the bottom. Now what I'm going to do without adding any more product is I'm now going to go and just line the top of my brow as well. So that's really what I've done there. Now without adding more product, I like to go into the middle of the brow and just, again, in whatever motion the hair is growing, just fill that in. This is a really natural look for me. You can use your spoolie as well to brush that up and brush that out just to really blend it in. So I'm not adding any more product, especially to that inner area. And I'm just, again, just brushing it to make sure it blends so there's no harsh lines. That's really, really it there. So I'm just adding a little bit more product to that, only a little amount, to go in and really darken up, and even I might even thicken up this bottom, this brow on this side, just to really even that out. And there you go. As you can see, it is such a change to the other side. Now, your eyebrows, I love this quote, I'd say, is that your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So it's totally okay if they don't look alike, but you can certainly make them look a lot better, right? So what I will do is I'll actually finish off this side to show you the complete look, and then finish off the other side as well. So what I'm gonna do now is I will grab a little bit of my concealer. So I'm using the LC03 at the moment. I'm just going to put a little bit underneath my arch, just like that, not too much. So then I'm just grabbing I'm just using an eyeshadow brush and just really, really simply lining that up gently. I could use a little bit more product here, but just want to show you how that goes. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead with the brow gel. Now this brow gel is probably not essential for your everyday look, but if you do, your brows are not going anywhere. So this does end up drying clear. So I'm just gently, again, just the motion that you want your eyebrows to go, and rubbing that in. This brow looks totally natural. There is nothing unnatural about it. Let's go ahead and finish off the other side. Alright guys, that is it for my brow tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed that video. I remember, and I was certainly part of the era where no brow powder ever existed, and I'm so glad we jumped on that trend ASAP. So if you love this video, make sure you go and check out the Be Coyote Brow Dust and also the brow gel. It will absolutely change your life. I do want to add that this is an essential part to your makeup routine, having the angled brush with the spoolie on the end to complement the brow dust. So go and check it out.